Dr. Chambers here, and this week's blog is going to be on something very dear to your heart and my heart, and that is our intestinal system and how it works, and a term called leaky gut. Now, many of you may have wondered, why do I feel bad after I eat certain foods, and why do I have acid reflux and indigestion, and how does that whole thing affect my general health? Well, I want you to imagine it this way. When you eat food, the food has to go from your mouth to your stomach, where the hydrochloric acid and other acidic acids digest it into a usable form. And it leaves your stomach and goes into your intestines, where it's broken down and absorbed by your body. Well, if everything goes well, the food that you get turns into nice bones and tissues for a healthy diet, and you feel great. Sometimes things go awry. And one of the things that can happen is that your digestive system can get out of whack, and you can develop what's referred to as acid reflux. Acid reflux is where the acid that gets in your stomach for some reason wants to escape and starts coming up into your mouth and into your chest and causes a burning sensation, belching, and other type of healthcare issues. Once in a while, that can be caused by a bacterial infection called H. pylori. H. pylori is a very opportunistic bacteria that lives in the mucosal lining of the stomach, and in real bad cases can cause stomach ulcers. But it can even be more devastating than that. It can also lead to a decrease of hydrochloric acid and lead to an increase of acid reflux issues. So by getting to the understanding of what's causing that, there's natural remedies and natural treatments that can one diagnose and treat that effectively and help your heartburn and help that to be eliminated. I'm Dr. Chambers, and this week's blog is on acid reflux, some of the causes, and often it's a decrease of hydrochloric acid and not an increase. And sometimes the treatments of giving you antacids make the condition worse in the long run. So what is it that you want to do? You want to find an effective treatment to treat these conditions. Stay tuned, more information will be following soon. Look at next week's blog.